This video is of a hilarious demolition of a building called the Ambridge Event Center, also known as the Portland Conference Center, which is right next to the Portland Convention Center. There are two construction sites going on. This is being destroyed, and also this parking structure is being destroyed. This is a MAX train line, and that's owned by Trimet. It's an electric train system for public transportation. This is Holiday Street, and this is Martin Luther King, and this is Grand Avenue. So someone was unfortunately killed here a few days ago because they didn't hear the train coming from the heavy equipment running, so they got ran over. It's very unfortunate. So anyway, back to this structure. They were destroying this structure starting from the back and moving forward. This is all pretty standard procedure, but it got interesting as they neared the front of the building. They wanted to protect the Trimet glass and metal overhead structures. They used insulation pads over the glass, and also a crane holding a giant tarp over the front of the building to try to divert falling concrete so that it would not hit the glass structure. And they somewhat failed, and they didn't use walkie-talkies to communicate for the people on the ground to communicate with excavation drivers, so they had to yell at them and they didn't hear them. And yeah, it's quite an interesting video. And by the way, the name of the company, the demolition company, is called Staton, the Art of Demolition. And I thought that just topped it off. Enjoy the video. I should note that there was a Trimet MAX train that actually stopped here and opened the doors and let humans out while the excavation was taking place. Very dangerous. I think it was car number 317. Whoever was driving that train, they should be punished. Enjoy the video.
Uh-oh. Whoops.